Right, to use the glasses, first you need to make sure that you've got an SD card inserted, so just fold down the arm and just check that you've got the card inserted as it is there. Once you check that, then to switch it on, just press and hold this button found on the top here for about 2 seconds. 1, 2. And so you get this light switch on here. When that goes a solid blue as it has now, then that means that the device is in standby, so it's switched on but not doing anything. So from here you can either do recording, which is just one click. So if I click on there, you see the light will start flashing. When I do it, the light will start flashing and then it will go off, which means it's recording. So if I click it now, okay, so that's now recording video and audio. So obviously you can go ahead and wear the glasses, and the camera is just actually behind this piece of plastic here. You can't see it, which is hidden behind there. Once you're finished, just single click, and again that will take it back into standby mode. You can obviously do another video if you wanted to. You can also take photos. To do this, it's double click, and this time the light would turn off but then turn straight back on again. So if I do that now, 1, 2, there you are. That's one photo. There's another one. And to switch it off, it's just a case of clicking and holding, and the light will go red and flash a couple of times and then turn off. Also, if you leave it in standby mode for 60 seconds without doing anything, it will also turn off as well. When you first turn it on, if the light doesn't go blue but instead flashes red and turns off, it either means there's no card in there, or it's not inserted properly, or something wrong with it, or it could be that you've got something higher than 32 gigs. If that's the case, you can use it, but you need to format it in a certain way first. I'll cover that in the instructions later.